Kecuali MDC kami, idon ka kubur dan ayu ke kuker doya ti, idon kubur dan ayu. Dengan kapor sesin pat ai kulai MDC bedon borom jangi, ai congratulations sesin pat nomor ke jinjob jangi kena ka election barang sudah, barang ne kapor kerpat sesin ban ai ke Jingkren Na preng jangi. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. So this is my first time that I have been invited as a chief guest. So first and foremost, I give thanks to God who has given us this healthy body and mind and enable us to become who we are today. I also extend my gratitude to the Honorable Principal, esteemed teachers, organizers, dear students, and likewise to the parents. It is an absolute pleasure to be here today as a chief guest in this wonderful sports event. I extend my gratitude to the school for inviting me. Sports are not just about winning or losing. They are about the discipline, talent, perseverance, and pushing our limits. They teach us resilience, the ability to rise after I fall, and to face challenges. These qualities are not only important on the field, but also in life. I am thrilled to see the energy and the passion among the students. Your hard work and dedication are truly commendable. I encourage each one of you to continue participating in sports because they contribute not only to the physical fitness but also to the mental strength and character building. To the teachers and coaches, I appreciate your hard work. Your guidance play a crucial role in helping these students to achieve their best. Nakamata ki kini ki kita, nakati ki, nakinan pichlori ki kon ki jopi, nakinishin bata haki sports. Ringkat bar kejumpe, kejingam kabaya ringkat, habaro kilang, kapelang, yeki sama, yeki khynnah, begitu syakkan, hamala kapita kejingam kejopi. Finally, I congratulate to all the participants. Remember, participating itself is a victory, whether you win or you lose. The lesson you learned today will help you in the future. So give your best, enjoy the spirits of sports, and make a wonderful memories. With that, I wish you all the best.